Welcome to this video. Today I will tell you how to set your own wallpaper on your device. So first you press the cameras. After that you press the white button. After you press the white button, you press the three dots. Then after that you press set as wallpaper, the second one. Then after that, if you want to put the photo on the home screen, then press the home screen. If you want to do it on the lock screen, then press the lock screen. If you want to do it on both, then press home and lock screens. I don't want to do it on both and lock screen. I'm gonna just do it on home screen. So I press home screen. So after that, you press the underneath button called set on home screen. After it's done, you press the square. Then there you go. You have set your own wallpaper. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Bye. To this video, guys, today I will tell you another way how to change your background on mobile. So first you swipe down. Then you go to settings. After you go to settings, you go to wallpaper. After that, if you want to pick the photo from gallery, then press gallery. Then after that, you need to pick a photo. Then press done. After that, you choose one of them. Then after that, you press set on home screen. Then you exit. Then there the wallpaper have set. So thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and like. Bye guys.